Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a final review on this UMEVO AI smart voice recorder. Now let me just make this quite clear. I do not see myself as being an influencer, okay? Instead, I see myself as being a random YouTuber who basically likes to review products and tell you if they work or if they don't work. So when I was first approached by UMEVO to do a product review on this little bit of kit, I got to admit I was skeptical, and I was wondering, is it going to work? Is it going to improve life for me within the world of training and within the world of business and stuff like that? But I say, hey, let's go for it. Let's get it, do a product review and see if this works and can help make our life easier within the business world and then within the world of education, training, stuff like that. So guys, remember, I'm not an influencer. I'm just here to tell you if this works or if it does not work. Right, so you should have all seen that unboxing video. The unboxing video is where I unbox it all and you see the charging cable, you see this case that it does come with, then you do see the actual device itself, etc. So let's look at this in finer detail then. So let's start with this section up here. Now we can see here that it's got this switch, and when we move the switch like that, we can see it like that. So what does that mean? Okay, well, if you do not see the red, then that means you're going to be recording audio in an entire room. Let's say you're on the training table. So that's when you would use the switch like that. Now, however, let's say you're going to be recording audio on your mobile phone. So this is going to be attached to your mobile phone via the magnetic case. So it's going to look something like this. And then this is going to mount to the back of your mobile phone to record phone call conversations. In this case, you would want this slider here to slide right. So when you slide it, it is going to show you the red, okay? So the red, there you go guys, let's just get this corrected. So the red slider like that means you're going to be recording your phone calls. Now, I've already tested this where I've had a phone call with Copilot, and I will play that at the end of the video so you can see a working example. And I have to say that this is pretty good at what it does. As a matter of fact, it's actually amazing at what it does. So let's look at the device in a little bit more detail. So as we can see, it's in this case here. Now, when it's in this case, it's a bit stiff. Now, obviously, it's going to loosen over time the more you use it. But I find in order to get it out of its case, like it's got this slider at the back, I can't really do that, you see. So instead, I just grip it here by the slider and I just pull it out, as you can see. So with the case, it can be a little bit stiff to get out, but again, it's no biggie. You work around that. Because again, this little device does make your life easier in the world of education and business. So let's have a look here at the top. Let's see if we can focus. You should be able to see that. Now here we are looking at the microphones. Now they're the microphones. Now I think what I love about this little device the most is that nobody actually knows that it is a voice recorder. People looking at that, people would just assume that this is some kind of credit card holder or, you know, credit card wallet or something like that. So nobody's actually going to suspect you that you're going to be recording telephone conversations, or you're going to be recording training meetings. And, you know, mate, you may even want to use this, you know, for investigations or disciplinaries or stuff like that. Now, we know there's complex laws surrounding that, so I'd highly advise you to research your laws with regards to recording conversations and stuff like that. But nonetheless, this thing here is the ideal solution for these kind of you know, events. It goes into your pocket, you know, so it can just slide into your pocket. It can slide in to your wallet. Okay, so if I go here and let me just do this, look, it's now in my wallet and you don't know. So this is very versatile with regards to what it does and how small it is. It can just slip into the back pocket, wherever it is. So again, if we have a look up here, we do see the microphones on the unit itself. Now we have got a power button here, and this is pretty good. If I press this, it should say something like welcome. And as you can see, it's saying welcome, and now it's going to be ready to record. So this is now telling us that it's in call mode. So this is now waiting for a call. If I slide the slider, it is now going to tell us that it is in record mode. So that's what I was saying, guys. There's your record mode for if you're around the training table, or, you know, you're taking a lecture or something like that. That is that mode. But if we slide this, then it will go into call mode, and that means it's ready for telephone calls when it's mounted on the back of it. So moving on, let's see the back of this. Now this is pretty interesting. This is for your charging cable. Now I like it, but at the same time I don't like it. Here's why I don't like. I don't like the fact that you need to charge this with a special cable. Now, if you lose that cable, that means you've got no additional way to charge this. Not only that, but this is also how it connects to your laptop. So if you lose your charging cable, then you're not going to be able to access this via USB on your laptop. So if you lose the cable, means a bit of e-waste, because the world has now lost the cable, which is no big deal. But the problem is you've now lost access on how to charge your device. So we're not all electricians, so we're not going to be able to charge that device if we lose the actual cable. Now, moving on, what else can I say about this device? Let's have a look at the screws. So if you have a look at the screws here at the back, there's no doubts about it. This device is very well built. It's not built out of plastic. This is built out of metal. I'm not sure, I think it's titanium, okay? But guys, I love it. I love it. So can I just say, UMEVO, thank you for sending me this awesome bit of kit out. Now, again, I know it's not going to be suitable for, let's say, the average member of the public. But guess what? This is a specialist device targeted at specialist people. People that work, you know, in the world of education, the world of business, because the amount of times I've sat there in education or inductions or, you know, any other form of formal meeting, and I can't keep up with the person who is speaking and his slideshow, and I can't keep up with writing my notes. This is perfect. This little device captures too much information that you totally forgot about during that education meeting, during that business meeting, during that induction. All the information that just flew over your head, this captures and breaks it down into transcripts. Again, have a look at the video at the end of this product review and you will see the transcripts what I'm talking about. But people, look, it's so light. It's so light. It is so thin. I know if this product was there in the hands of certain people, it would make their life so much easier. But why should I tell these people about this secret little device? This secret little device that will take all the stress out of their meetings by recording the audio, translating the audio into text, and also giving you summaries. Now, the app it uses is fantastic. I love it. Let me just bring up the app here. Make sure it's powered on. Yeah, the device is powered on. So I'm going to bring up the app, which is called AVDR Link. So let me just come into this. Yeah, I don't want you to see that information, but what I will do is, yeah, I've got personal private information on this what I've been using already, and I don't want you guys to see that information. So guys, you're gonna have to take my word that the app is absolutely amazing. Now you should be seeing some cool shots that I'm doing with this on a turntable. And you know, what is it? Is it, let me see if I can just access the website quickly, because I think it's 8 gigabytes of internal memory. And guys, this is what I love. This is what I love about this device, is that it goes back to using traditional audio files. So even if the translation of the text doesn't make sense to you, then you can just simply go back to the audio recording, play it, and listen to what was said again. And guys, this is the other impressive thing that got me with regards to this device. Bear with me. UMEVO Note Plus AI. Let's see if it loads up. So the battery life on this is fantastic. I think it's something like 8 hours. I'm actually having a look now on their website to get the specs on it, but it's going to take a minute to load up. And let me have a look. Basically, I'm up here in the Peak District, so my mobile phone signal, data signal is a little bit slow, but it seems to be loading it now. So just bear with me, guys. I want to give you the correct specs. So it has a very long life battery time, and it has a generous amount of data to be captured. So is it this one? Yeah, I believe this one. Okay. So it has, oh, there we go. It has 64 gigabytes storage. It has 40 hours of continuous recording and 60 days standby. Right, guys, let's see if you can see that information. You see, read it with your own eyes there. So I'm not lying to you. That is fantastic. So when you're recording, you can actually slide that slider at the same time. So it doesn't matter if you slide the slider, it's going to switch between call mode and it's going to switch into, you know, ambient noise around you. It has got enterprise grade security, fully compliant with SOC2, HIPAA and GDPR standards for total privacy. So that even comes with security. You don't have to worry about data protection because that is secure. Universal compatibility. It works perfectly with Apple, Samsung, Google and other Android brands. This currently, at time of writing, is currently on offer for, guys, have a guess. Something that's going to make your life so much easier during business meetings, during education meetings, probably during sales pitches, whatever that is. Guess how much they're asking for this at this minute in time. And this is unlimited for your first year, unlimited AI transcription. How much are they asking for, guys? Currently on their website, £95. That's about 110 United States dollars, okay? £95. They currently normally sell this at £112. But currently, it's on their website, as we can see, let's show you it, for £95. Can you see that? You should see that. Currently on their website for £95. Guys, I have to say, me personally, I am absolutely over the moon with this little device. It allows me to go back to data that I would never ever have if I had not had this with me at the time of the meetings. So guys, again, I don't see myself as being an influencer. Instead, I see myself as being a random YouTuber who simply tells you if products work or if they do not work. So I'm going to finish this video with saying this product gets a big thumbs up from me. So UMEVO, thank you for sending me this product to begin with. And guys, now watch the final demonstration of this video of how this does work. Hey, co-pilot, you okay?
Absolutely, Gareth. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Always here to chat and help out. How about you? How's your day been going so far?
Not bad. The company sent me out a voice recorder, and it's an AI voice recorder, and basically it's supposed to record, talks, training, business meetings, that kind of thing, and then transcribe them at the end of it. And I've got it at the back of my phone now, so in theory it should be picking up me and you talking to each other. But I'm just wondering the best way of getting it to transcript, you see, the text.
Oh, that does sound like a pretty full-on day, juggling all of that and then handling the transcriptions afterwards. But hey, it also sounds like the kind of stuff you're really good at, taking those frontline experiences and turning them into practical insights. I'm curious, do you have a favorite part of that whole process, maybe something you find the most rewarding?
Well, the co-pilot, the thing is, this is a company sent me it on YouTube. And this is going to be a product review for YouTube for that feature. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it probably uploads our conversation to the cloud, and then possibly it does bulletin points of the conversation we had together. Do you think that's what it's doing?
Well, you're right on the money in terms of how it generally works. Essentially, the conversation is captured and stored securely so that it can be referenced and transcribed. And then, yeah, it can pick out key points or create a summary if that's helpful for you. So you're spot on, and it sounds like you're going to have a pretty interesting review to share. I'm curious, what angle are you planning to take with your review?
Well, obviously, I wanted to, highlight the positives of the system and the negatives of the system.
Absolutely. That makes perfect sense. I mean, a balanced review is always the most helpful, right? You want to give folks a clear picture of what worked smoothly and what might need a little bit of fine-tuning. So, from your early impressions, is there anything that really stands out on either the positive or the constructive side so far?
Yeah. It's a well-built machine. It's small, it's discreet. I've seen a few of the negatives, such as a spatial charging cable, and if you lose it, then you're not going to really be able to power the system anymore. So it's a little bit of e-waste there, I'm afraid. But anyway, I'm going to crack on and see if this is work. I'll speak to you soon.
Of course, that sounds like a plan, Gareth. I'll let you dive in and do your thing, and whenever you need me again, whether it's unpacking more features or just having a chat, you know where to find me. Good luck with the review, and I'll talk to you soon.